In Autodesk Fusion 360, workspaces are used to organize the tools on the toolbar that are needed for each stage of the design process. Two of the most commonly used workspaces include the Design Workspace, which is used to create and edit history-based features like Extrude, Revolve, Loft, and Sweep that update with design changes. And the Drawing Workspace, which is used to document manufacturing specifications like dimensions and other annotations for the parts and assemblies of a design. Switching between workspaces is accomplished by selecting the desired workspace on the drop-down menu. The toolbar for each workspace is organized into tabs, panels, and commands. The most commonly used tools in each panel are displayed by default, while the rest reside in the drop-down menu. The tools on the drop-down menu can be added to the toolbar by clicking on the More button for any given tool and then checking the box for Pin to Toolbar. Note that some of the tools are available across workspaces and can even be found on multiple tabs within the same workspace. For example, the Measure tool can be found on each of the tabs of the Design Workspace. Clicking on a command opens a dialog box on the right-hand side of the user interface. The dialog box displays the settings and options for that tool and expands as you select elements of your design. Canceling a command is accomplished by clicking the Cancel or Close button on the dialog box or by clicking the Escape key on the keyboard.